which state government has approved the proposal to close all government madrasas and Sanskrit school. Assam, who has launched the beta version of term insurance for ICICI Prudential on its high-tech platform. PSC EBIX. Intercity Rail Yatri was partnered with which organization to provide domestic travel insurance to their customers? SBI General Insurance. Which organization has launched 2020 Champion of the Earth Award? UNEP. Which company has launched ICGS Saksham OPV for Indian Coast Guard? Goa Shipyard Limited. With which country India has decided to collaborate new virtual hub to distribute vaccine? UK. How much amount the cabinet has approved for sugarcane farmers? ₹3,500 crore. Which park has become the first in India to acquire ISO Quality Management Standards certification? The Nehru Zoological Park. Which control center has been set by ISRO for space situational awareness? NITRA. Who has been elected as Vice President of Asia Pacific Broadcasting Union? Shashi Shekhar Vempati. Which commission is going to provide digital election photo identity card facility? Election Commission. Which Indian has been named for the Young Champion of the Earth 2020 prize announced by UNEP? Vidyut Mohan. Indian Embassy in Beijing has launched which series for SCO diplomats? CinemaScope. The 51st International Film Festival of India will be held in which state? Goa. Which organization has launched $9 million vaccine for their members? Asian Development Bank.